Hey guys, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on human populations, and this was taken from the November 2016 DBE exam. So let's jump in. The graph below shows the percentage of populations affected by food insecurity in some developing regions in the world. So we've got percentages of populations affected by food insecurity in some developing regions of the world. On the y-axis, our dependent variable, we have the percentages of populations affected by food insecurity, and it goes from 0 up to 40%. And then our independent variable is the developing regions in the world. And then the key here, we've got the dark is the 2000s, and then the open block is in the 1900s. So which one of the above regions does not show improvement in its food security for the period shown? A, Latin America, B, Sub-Saharan Africa, C, East and North Africa, or D, South Asia. So what we would expect is if they were showing improvement, the darker line in the 2000s needs to be lower, have a lower percentage than everywhere than in the 1900s. So if I look at Sub-Saharan Africa, I can see that there is a decrease, which is good. East and North Africa, there's actually an increase, so there's no improvement there. Southeast Asia, there's a decrease, and Latin America, there's a decrease. That leaves us with the only option of C, East and North Africa. And that's it. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. But be sure to check out our website for more epic videos. And just a shout out to our sponsor, you can find all their details and our details down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.